Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're going to be adding two-step to the Vic, but in order to do that, we're going to have to go to the auto parts store real quick and go buy us a switch. So we're going to hop in the Crown Vic real quick and we're going to head that way. Well, we're back home and I got a new switch. So I'm going to go ahead and start looking for the wire I'm going to hook it up to and we'll go from there. So we're back out here in the car with the laptop. We should have everything set up properly to where I can just hook up one of the wires to our mess of wires down there under the dash. And we should be able to just wire in that switch real quick and then fire it up and see what happens. All right, so we have it very sketchily hooked up. Mainly it's just there so that we have two-step if we ever need it, and then whenever we actually need to use it, whenever we get boosted, we can just put it on the steering wheel like everybody else does. But for now, this should do just fine. So I've got the computer already ready. I'm gonna turn on the Holly real quick. And we're gonna go on ahead and sync it to the computer and see what happens. That is not what I wanted. That is what I want. So send to ECU. All right. So we're gonna go ahead and cycle it like it said. Turn it back on and we should be good to go. So I'm gonna hop out, take the laptop inside and hop in the driver's seat and we'll see how this goes. I'm gonna set up the camera and see how it sounds. So I have it set up in the Holly again. Now let's see what happens. I'd say it's working. So let's turn it up to like 35 and see what it does now. All right, let's try it again. But it still sounds cool. All right, so I think what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna go surprise Jordan at work and see what he thinks. So let's head that way. Well, we got a little bit of a change of plans. I'm still gonna go surprise Jordan, but it just won't be where he's working at. So we're gonna head that way and see him there. Yeah, it ain't really too loud.
Yeah, it's not set high, is it?
It's only at 25, but it's...
Oh, okay.
But I mean, at 35, it still doesn't sound that loud. I think we just need...
It sounds cool, though.
I think we need a power adder, and it sounds really cool.
Yeah.
I mean, I can turn it up. We can put it at like 4,000, see what it does.
I mean, if you want to.
Okay, you ready? You ready for 4?
Oh, shit. Yeah. Let me get another recorder. Alright.
Sounded a lot cooler.
That was, we're good after that one. I don't want to make nobody too mad.
Yeah. Here we go. Going down, loser. Man, what the heck? You can't even hear this thing run.
I know, it's quiet.
Man, I don't know about this one. He might just have us. He might be one of them there sleepers, Jordan. Oh, we got our first competitor today. Got one of them Subarus with one of them Terpskis on it. And this guy right here is gonna try and let us eat in Mexico. What do you think's gonna happen, Jordan?
I don't know, man. I mean, you know, Subarus, they accelerate pretty hard. They launch pretty hard.
We'll have to see. I don't know. I don't know what's gonna happen.
We'll figure out.
Yep. Well, we're gonna cut to it right here.
This car with J&A Motorsport YouTube logo on the side. A bunch of racing stickers.
We're in Mexico.
We made it to Mexico, boys.
Just stopped at a truck stop. You know.
There's in Mexico. I mean, I guess.
Yeah, they do. There's truck stops
It's a
in
nice
Mexico.
truck stop in Mexico.
Yeah.
All right. I guess it's time to do it.
All right.
Appropriate shirt you could ever put on right now.
Yeah. Buy a shirt.
Hot rodding is not a crime. It is not a crime.
All right, let's do do this.
All right, let's get to it.
We'll just ride, and hopefully if we find a clear spot, we'll just go. And we'll slow down to 30, and we'll just go. All right.
All right. Into the Mexican jungle. All right, he's behind us now. Let's see if he
stays.
Yeah. All right. Ready when you are. We got him.
We didn't even downshift.
Not really. I didn't
just
feel
stayed-
it downshift.
stayed
Oh
back.
shit. Heck yeah, dude. That's what's up. You ready? Alright, you ready?
That's it.
3, 2, 1! Got him. Again. Again.
Hell yeah, let's go. Crown Vic putting in work.
Putting in work today. So, hasn't really lost a race yet, has it? I mean, we haven't done many, but
We haven't done many, but she still has 2 kills so far.
2 kills so far.
Now we need to race my car.
Yep.
We'll have to see how that does. First, we need to take care of this gear select first, because she doesn't like to drop
On the
gears
floor.
off. So we need to put a gear shifter, and it's on the way. So that'll be the next video, us putting a gear selector in this.
Heck yeah. Once we get that done, Camaro race.
Camaro race. Let's see how a stock 425 horsepower car does against this not stock 320. We know it probably won't win, but it'll be a fun race anyways.
Oh yeah, definitely will. Either way,
Yeah.
that's one thing. We're doing this all for fun.